The topic of the video tip of the week comes in from one of our subscribers here at MLM Video Guide, and it concerns mind mapping. Specifically, they wanted to know how I actually construct my video vault to keep track of all my videos that I have produced to advertise my funded proposal. And if you're not familiar with funded proposals, I can give you a link at the end of the video where you can go learn more about it. But your funded proposal is basically your secret to advertising your MLM opportunity in a way that actually offsets your advertising cost. And it's actually a fantastic technique to use. And once you discover how to use the funded proposal, you'll actually never look back. In your MLM career, you'll vault off building an incredible downline and making a lot of money. Back to the video vault. This is a mind mapping software program that I use. Now, there are very many mind mapping programs available. If you'll do a Google search for mind mapping software or mind mapping programs, you'll get an entire list on the Google search or Yahoo search or MSN search. Don't want to be biased there. For all the different programs out there that are available, some are free on the internet and some are paid. Just keep aware of the fact that some of the free programs don't actually let you save the mind map to your computer, and that's one of the very specific things that you want to look for. Now, you can start with the free mind mapping software program and get accustomed to them and start using them, but I do suggest that when you really get involved in video advertising and advertising your funded proposal, that you get your own copy that's resident on your computer so that it's, one, more secure, easier to get to, and as you can see how this operation works, it becomes very systematic in keeping you organized. So let's take a look at this mind map and how to construct a video vault to keep track of all your funded proposal advertisements that you're doing. Now, this is the mind mapping software program, and I've constructed this example for you to take a look at. And let's just zoom in and take a look at the specifics of this mind map. So it's basically a flowchart guide, that systematic approach to keeping you organized. So this is the topic of the video tip of the week: mind map everything. And if I roll my cursor to the right, you can see that I have inserted some text that's associated with this topic. Mind mapping is very systematic, keeps you organized, and helps you prioritize your events of the day that you need to accomplish, and keeps you focused and keeps you on track to finish that project on a deadline. So how do you insert this text editor? So if you click on the element Mind Map Everything, you can go up to the top of the screen and click on Notes, and it'll open up that text editor on the right, and you can type in any notes that are associated with that topic, like when the deadline for advertising is about to come up or when it's due, the topic, the actual script of the video. There's no limit to how you can use mind mapping. Keeps you very organized, keeps you on topic and on focus. Let me close that out. And as we go down, let's take a look specifically at this video vault mind map. And just to let you know how it starts off, this is the website that I'm advertising, MLM Video Guide, and this is where my funded proposal starts off. And this is the marketing plan for this site, and it includes, as you can see, these sub-elements: video marketing, direct mail, pay-per-click, articles, solo mailings, joint ventures, and site ads. And each element has its own branching logic tree associated with it. Let's specifically look at video. You have site video and social video. Site video would be videos that you produce that are residing on your server, on your website, that are not in the social arena. For example, you would advertise on the social sites and drive traffic to a squeeze page. So this might be a squeeze page video. But let's specifically look at how the video vault keeps you organized with all the different video sites out on the internet. So this is the topic, the sub-element of video advertising in the market plan. These are the social video sites, and this is my video vault. I've expanded that to the right for you so you can take a look at that, and let's just center that for you. But these are all the different video uploading sites out on the internet that I upload my videos to, and you can see the list is quite extensive. I think there's about 30 in there. There are a little over 100 that you could possibly use, but these are the 30 most visited that I've found. But let's specifically take a look at an example, or let's use YouTube. So we'll go down to, and I've placed YouTube on the bottom, so let's go down and take a look at YouTube. Let me just center this for you. So YouTube is an element in this entire list of social media sites, specifically for video, and I've inserted a text editor on the right which holds my username and password for my YouTube account, so I don't have to remember that each time. So I only have one place to go that keeps me organized, has my usernames and passwords. And inside this text editor is actually a link to a program that stores all my usernames and passwords. I use RoboForm, but there are again a lot of username and password programs that fill out forms for you. And then the next element, let me just show you how this works. So if I select YouTube and highlight that, if I hit the insert key, then you see another subtopic comes up, and this would actually be the video itself. So let's say this video was about MLM mind mapping, and it was produced on 12/20/07, and just hit the enter key, and then I can actually associate a URL with that mind map. So I would go to YouTube and grab the URL for the video and paste that into the mind map. I'll just show you what that looks like by going up to the video tip of the week for December 15th, 2007. And as I roll my cursor over that, it shows me YouTube, and it's really nice to have a little YouTube icon there so you can remember what that looks like. Not that you would ever forget after you start using this, but it has the location for it. If I click on that, it immediately brings up my browser and actually shows me, let's pause that so we don't have all these conversations running at once. It actually shows me the video, and it shows me on YouTube my embedded code for that video that I'm going to use to post on websites if I need to. Now, you can actually click on your YouTube account page and go down to Manage My Videos, and this will be all the videos that you have running on this particular site. So you would take this URL and copy it, go back to your mind mapping software, and just to give you an example, let's go down to the next element to show you how URL works, and click on the hyperlink tab at the top of the page. Hyperlink box comes up, and you would paste that location. Say OK. Now, as you see, I have another YouTube icon. And if I click on that, it actually takes me to my YouTube account page, and then I can select the actual video. Let's say I want to, this is the video I'm interested in. I would click on that video, and then here's the embed code. So I could click on that embed code and copy it, go back to my Mind Manager, and now I want to insert the Notes text editor, and I would paste the embed code. So I'll always have the embedded code for this video. If I wanted to put this on, let's say, MySpace page for MySpace profile, I would always have that code right here, so I wouldn't have to go to YouTube each time to find that code. I could simply come here, highlight it, copy it, then go over to MySpace account and paste it into my MySpace blog, for example, and then that video would show up automatically. Now, the next step in your video marketing career, once you start producing videos and using them to advertise, would be to subscribe or actually purchase one of these social media video site programs that actually uploads your video to 40 different sites all at one time, and it's a great time saver. So as you get better in your video marketing and as you start seeing income coming in from your funded proposal, it's something you definitely want to look at to save you a lot of time, because it can take quite a while to upload videos to 40 different sites. If it takes 3 to 5 minutes and then another 5 minutes to edit within your account of each one of those sites to get all these videos up on the web, so you're looking at a massive amount of time, and a lot of the services out there really save you a lot of time in uploading these videos. Well, that's how you construct your video vault. If you want a more in-depth keystroke systematic course on how to actually do this, be sure and visit the blog at MLM Video Guide and watch the video there, and we'll show you a very extensive video on how to exactly go about it. So that's the video tip of the week here at the MLM Video Guide. Have a great day out there on the internet and out there in the World Wide Web, and we'll see you again soon with another video tip of the week from the MLM Video Guide.